the November 18th, 2025 DC shooting and effect on asylum and refugee laws.
Hello, greetings. I am lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have been practicing immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, we are looking at what happened in DC on November 18th, 2025, and what effect that will have on asylum and refugee laws. On that day, a tragic and unfortunate incident happened whereby an Afghan refugee drove into a crowd and shot multiple persons, some of who were fatally wounded. And immediately thereafter, the Trump administration announced certain executive decisions, right? First of all Afghan applications and processing of Afghan refugee and asylum applications were suspended. Intense scrutiny of all Afghan asylum applications, and then interagency scrutiny of those applications as well. Now, there is talk of more actions to be taken, but one thing is certain, and this is that this is going to affect the asylum and refugee processing as a whole. What should we expect? First of all, there's going to be heightened scrutiny, identification. There's going to be a substantial backlog as these things are being done. There is going to be more requests for evidence and possibly intent to deny. And definitely there's going to be a heightened credibility determination. This is where cases will be determined whether they are really credible cases or not. All these are going to happen. So what should you do about this if you are an asylum applicant or potential asylum applicant or refugee applicant? The first thing is that you have to be prepared for this. You have to be prepared for identification checks. So check your ID, make sure your identification is well organized and prepared for any interview. Be prepared for your interview. The interviews will become more intense and demanding, and you will need to establish your credibility because many of these cases are going to be considered not credible, especially if certain regulatory requirements are implemented. Now, file your applications on time. Make sure you file your supporting documents on time. Any excuse will be used, probably, to deny certain documents or information if they are not timely filed. And finally, make sure you secure counsel. Make sure you get a lawyer or you get somebody knowledgeable who can guide you through the process. There can be some very tricky aspects in preparation as well as presenting your claim. So I hope this information is helpful to you. And if you have any questions or you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And don't fear the system. Don't fear the situation. Understand it. Walk through it and benefit from it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.